This is the AI News Flash for July 6th, 9 a.m. UTC. First up, Shenzhen-based smart glasses maker Even Realities has raised $150 million in a round co-led by Meituan and Tencent, hitting a $1 billion valuation and joining the Unicorn Club. The company was founded in 2023 by former Apple engineers, and CEO Will Wang previously worked on the Apple Watch and the iPhone. Hillhouse, Sequoia, China, and Northern Light Venture Capital also joined the round. Its G1 glasses launched in 2024 as some of the lightest waveguide smart glasses on the market, followed last November by the camera-free, display-first G2, frames retail for $599, and with prescription lenses or the companion smart ring, the average order comes to about $1,000. A built-in AI copilot reads conversations in real time, explaining unfamiliar jargon and suggesting follow-up questions. The core customers are male professionals in their 30s to 50s, about a third of them executives, with the US as the fastest-growing market alongside Japan, South Korea, the Middle East, and Europe. Second, Tencent has released the full version of its large language model Hy3 as open weights on Hugging Face under the Apache 2.0 license. It is a mixture of experts model with 295 billion total parameters, of which 21 billion are active at inference, selecting 8 out of 192 experts, and it supports a context window of 256,000 tokens. Since the preview launched in late April, Tencent says it incorporated feedback from more than 50 product teams, cutting the hallucination rate from 12.5% to 5.4% and reducing the multi-turn dialogue issue rate from 17.4% to 7.9%. Tencent claims the model significantly outperforms peers of similar size and rivals flagship open-source models with 2 to 5 times the parameters. Following DeepSeek and Alibaba's Qwen, the race among Chinese open-weight models keeps heating up. Third, the Model Context Protocol, the standard that connects AI agents to tools, has promoted its Enterprise-Managed Authorization extension to stable status, bringing centralized access control to MCP servers. The extension replaces per-server consent prompts with a single login through the company's identity provider, giving users access to all approved MCP servers without extra setup. It uses a mechanism called the Identity Assertion JWT Authorization Grant, with Okta as the first supported identity provider. Anthropic is implementing it across Claude, Claude Code, and Cowork. Microsoft is adding it to Visual Studio Code, and servers from Asana, Atlassian, Canva, Figma, Linear, and Supabase are on board. One caveat is that the scheme governs connections, not individual actions inside connected systems, so runtime controls remain a separate concern. Still, it marks a step forward in standardizing governance as AI agents spread through the enterprise. Fourth, researchers in the US and France have combined AI with rare event sampling to estimate the odds of extreme weather, such as heat waves, using up to 1,000 times less computing power. The team includes Amari Lancelin of the Laboratory of Dynamic Meteorology in France and Alexander Wickner of the University of Chicago, and the paper is set to appear in Physical Review Letters. An AI algorithm repeatedly runs lightweight climate simulations to flag the scenarios most likely to produce the target rare event, and the full climate model then simulates only those selected cases. Capturing a once-in-a-century event traditionally requires about 1,000 years of simulation. In tests on mid-latitude heat waves, the method matched the accuracy of a coarse-grained climate model at a fraction of the cost. The researchers say it can extend to other extreme events, helping climate adaptation planning. That's all for this AI News Flash.